Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly prevent WhatsApp web from making sounds on your PC after the new update. If you're tired of those constant notification dings while you're working, the simple fix will quiet things down in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web in your browser and sign in if you haven't already. Once the chat interface loads, move your attention to the top of the screen right next to the web address. You'll see an icon there that lets you view site information. Click on it to open a small menu with site options and permissions. Now, from that drop-down, choose Settings. This will open a new tab or panel showing all the site permissions for WhatsApp web. Scroll until you find the section called Permissions, and underneath it, select More Settings Permissions. This is where you can control what WhatsApp web is allowed to do on your browser, things like camera access, notifications, and sound. Look for sound in the list. You'll notice a small box or drop-down menu next to it. Click on that menu and change the setting from Allow to Block. Once you've done that, WhatsApp web will no longer play message notification sounds on your computer. The best part is that you'll still receive your messages instantly, just without any noise interruption. Take a moment to refresh the page to make sure the new settings are applied. From now on, you can work, stream, or study in peace without the constant pinging from your browser. If you ever want to turn the sound back on, simply repeat these steps and switch the sound permission back to allow. That's all it takes. A quick, easy way to stop WhatsApp web from making sounds on your PC after the latest update. If this helped you out, don't forget to share it with someone who's also dealing with noisy notifications. Thanks for watching.